Hi, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thanks. And will you introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely. So I'm Anisha. I'm from Maharashtra, and I'm a homemaker. And simultaneously, I'm a YouTuber, and as well as I'm teaching here basic English in my village. Just recently, I have started. And talk about my family. So there are six members, including me, my mother-in-law, father-in-law, my husband, and my two children. And talk about my hobbies. So I like play piano, I like ride cycle, and I like play with kids. And now this is my new skill. I want to connect to people and learn this language. So this is my new hobby. So yeah, this is about me. Thanks.
That's I appreciate it. Okay. So should I
Yeah.
introduce myself?
Yes, yes, yeah, of course.
I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Padmani district, and I did VCA. My hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. That is my introduction, I think. Short
Great,
introduction.
great, great.
So should we start
Okay.
the conversation? Let me allow me
Yeah.
to ask five questions, and
Yes, definitely. You can ask.
it's not necessary to answer every questions. You can skip also if you don't want.
Yeah.
And one more thing, we with each questions you have 5 seconds. Think then speak.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. This is very. I think my first question.
Mm-hmm.
I, you can't speak English. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong that you can speak English.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you ask me? Did you ask me question?
Yes, yes. This is a question. This is a
I
hypothetical.
think I didn't get.
Yeah, that's okay. Let me repeat again.
Okay.
And if
Please.
you don't understand, you can also skip the question. Okay, I will replace another question.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. So I think this is a question. Okay, I think you can't speak English. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. You can speak English.
Uh, I couldn't understand this question actually.
Yeah, that's okay. So let me
Yeah.
replace.
Yeah. You explain me this question.
Where do you want to see yourself in the next 5 years?
I want to become motivational speaker and I want to become good English speaker. Yeah. So after
That's
5 years,
okay.
I want to, yeah. Yes.
That's my second questions. Suppose you are in a traffic
Mm-hmm.
and you get a call from your home, and you come to know that your mother is sick. What will you do in that situation?
If I in a traffic, so I will try to find another way. Then I can go very soon at my home and I will take care my mother. So I will find another way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. So okay, my second question. Consider you are in an interview, and you want a job. So why should I give this job to you?
Because of my confidence and definitely if their interview going good and I have lots of confidence, so definitely I have lack of confidence, so definitely I will be give them their perfect answer and confidently. So definitely interviewers impress me and and you if you are there in the interviewer,
Yeah,
so you will be
yeah,
hire me definitely.
yeah. Okay. So my fourth question: how much time is enough to practice speaking English? How much time is enough?
1 day 1 hour because there are four parts. So if you want to become good English speaker, so you have to follow four pillars. So yeah, 1 hour enough.
I am talking about how much time is enough to speak to practice speaking English.
How much time? There is no time, no time limit.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
because
you are not getting my question. That means suppose I should speak practice speaking 1 hour, 15 minutes, half an hour. 2 hours, 3 hours? How much?
Speaking, you are asking about speaking part.
Yeah, speaking part only.
Yeah. Okay. Everyone busy all our life, so at least we have to spend just half an hour speaking part.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, right. Okay, my fifth question. That is the last. If you have to choose your, desire and between your desire and your parents, what will you choose? That means you want to do something against your parents. Then, then and they are, they don't want to do that things. Then what will you do?
First of all, I will choose my parents. But I would like to make them understand what my desire, and if they definitely they will ready, then I would like to uh,
Yeah,
do my
you are.
desire also.
Yeah, you are great. That's you choose your father, your parents. Yeah, now let's verb do in past. You need to tell their past simple. Okay, so first,
Okay.
no. K-N-O-W, no.
No is present.
No, you only,
Past
you.
new. New.
Yeah, yeah, right.
New.
Cut.
Sorry.
Cut,
Pardon.
C-U-T.
Cut. Cut.
Yeah, okay. Think.
Thought.
Yeah, great. Put.
Put.
Speak.
Spoke.
Yeah, now it's translation time. Let's translate. Okay, only I have 5 sentences and they are very basic. Okay.
Okay.
क्या क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं?
Are you listening me?
No, can you hear me? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, मैं तुम्हें सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
No. I can't listen you.
Yeah,
Otherwise
I
I
can't
can't listen.
hear you. I can't hear you. Okay,
Yes.
listening means avoiding away someone. That means you do respect that person. And here means general things that right now I'm speaking to you and you can hear me. Okay.
So I gave you two answers.
Yeah. थोड़ी
Okay. Thank
कॉफी लाओ, थोड़ी कॉफी लाओ प्लीज. कॉफी.
you. Okay. Please please give give me copy. No, sorry, give me copy, please.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
bring some
could
coffee
you
please. Both are right. Bring some coffee please. Okay, you are
bring?
doing English. That's okay. मैं शर्त लगाता हूँ तुम नहीं कर सकते. मैं शर्त लगाता हूँ तुम नहीं कर सकते. Yeah, if you
Rest,
don't, if you
rest.
can't, then you tell me, I will do.
I'm resting, but I can't do. Is
या
it correct?
मैं शर्त लगाता हूँ तुम नहीं कर सकते.
Oh, okay, okay. Uh, sure, Sarvana means
Okay,
what is it?
tell me. Yeah, I will help you. I bet you can't do.
Wait, wait. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's okay. आप हर आप हर किसी को खुश नहीं कर सकते.
You are not making anyone happy.
No, you can't please everyone. You can't please. You know to you can't please to everyone. You can't please everyone.
Okay. You can't
Yeah,
please everyone.
yeah. You can't please everyone. Okay.
But your question is you आप happy नहीं कर सकते ना?
तुम हाँ या तुम आप हर किसी को खुश खुश नहीं कर सकते. So please means happy to make someone happy. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can't please everyone. After taking this conversation, you I'll recommend you watch this video again. Okay.
Definitely. Yes.
Yeah. And my fourth fifth, तुम छोटे बालों में अच्छी लगती हो. तुम छोटे बालों में अच्छी लगती हो.
Okay. Mm, you are looking gorgeous in your small haircut.
You look nice with your short hair. With your short hair.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now it's idioms times. Let's say on the learn idioms. 5 idioms.
Okay.
Yeah. So first, Spill the beans. Only you need to guess. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Spill the
No,
beans.
I didn't heard about this idiom.
Okay? To reveal a secret. To reveal a secret.
Means I think आपका secret आप reveal करो. Like
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
okay.
My second, hit the sack.
Hit the sack. किसी को तो गर्म करना है. I don't know.
To bed. To go to bed. To go to bed.
That is
Okay.
a hit the hay, no? Hit the hay.
Hit the sack. Yes, ACK. Yes, ACK. After this conversation, actually, listen, hear me out, please. After this conversation, go on Google, watch this video, and go on Google and search. Okay, then you will come to
But
know everything.
definitely. But hit the hay. That also idiom. Go to bed.
Yeah, sack, hit the sack.
But I know hit the hay. But I will definitely search.
Yeah,
And you also you will search. Hit the hay is also there available.
I will
Yeah.
search. I will search. You know,
Yeah.
keep your eyes peeled. Keep your eyes peeled.
Yes. This is I know, but now I forgot. Please
Be
explain.
watchful and alert. Pay close attention to something or someone.
Hmm?
Okay. Fourth, make hay. Make hay while the sun shines.
Hmm.
Make
I
hay
know.
while the sun shines.
I don't know meaning.
Take advantage. Take advantage of the situation. Okay. Take
Okay.
advantage of the situation. Okay. My fourth and that is the fifth. That is the last. Beggars can't be choosers.
Hmm. I don't know this also.
Okay. Directly don't say. Think for a while.
Hmm. Okay, but I didn't heard this.
Okay, be grateful for what you have. That means you have, so be grateful.
Okay, okay. That's
Yeah,
good.
now you have
I
5 minutes. Ask any question.
sure. Yes, yes. I have also two, three idioms.
Yeah,
I
go.
think you know maybe.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, couch potato. Do you know couch potato?
Yes, it's lazy. Lazy.
Horse your hold.
Sorry.
Horse. Sorry, hold your horse.
Yeah, control your thought. Control your thought mind.
Yes. And butterfly in my stomach.
Yeah, that means I'm hungry.
No, not hungry. That means if you are going to interview and before going to interview you feel
Hesitation.
uh,
Hesitation. Yeah,
scared, yeah, hesitation,
there is
scared,
hesitations.
so
Yeah.
you
Okay.
can say yeah,
Thank.
butterfly in my tummy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you for teaching me. New idioms.
thank you.
So now
Okay.
it's you have 5 minutes. Ask any question, and then we will end the conversation.
No, now I shocked because before I didn't think I will be make this kind of conversation, but I want to say here I have learned so many things in this conversation, so I like this conversation very much. So, thank you so much for connecting me. Yeah.
Okay. So I need your two opinions. Please rate my English.
Your English is great and your thought also great. And which way you are connecting to people and you are asking. So definitely they will also learn and they will learn through you so many things. So it was
Yeah.
great actually,
Thank you.
great idea.
Thank you for appreciating me and my this conversation. You are very kind. Okay. Yeah. Have a nice day. Keep learning.
Yeah, same to you. Thank you.
Thank you.